I wanted to produce a video, just a quick one, discussing behavior. Now, folks, we're all in this together, and this is so. For reference, this is the 12th of April of 2020, and we are in the middle of a very difficult to deal with situation. Folks, if you would, I want to remind you to just do one thing, and this one little thing can make a massive difference in everyone's lives. If we're all busy doing this one little thing, it's amazing what we're going to get out of this. And that's called sharing. Okay? Share with your neighbor. I'll give you an example. Yesterday, I wanted something that would fill me up, be very nutritious, deal with health and healing, a lot of nutrition there, because I need an immunity boost. Let me be straight with you. I just went to the hospital about a week ago, had surgery. I'm okay. They had to take care of some business where I'm sitting, and in fact, it hurts to sit right now. Anyway, things are taken care of, but when I was, producing something good to eat that was going to be healthy, that I didn't have to be in the kitchen all week. In other words, I wanted to have this, at least one meal a day for 3 or 4 days at least. And so I produced a big batch of stew, way more than I can eat. Well, what did I decide to do? I shared with my neighbors. Share with the neighbors. That's not too much to ask, is it? If we just share with our neighbors. Folks, I called some of my neighbors. I knocked on the door next door, and my neighbors always know what I mean when I look at them and say, bring a bowl, or give me a bowl, or give me a plate. They know food's going to be coming. So I loaded up my neighbors with stew. Wonderful, delicious big batch of stew. I just had another bowl of it right before doing this video, for the very reason that I made it, which is I want something quick that's very, very healthy. And boy, I mean, that's just chock full of good nutrition. Now, the importance of this video, though, is what did I do with my extra stew? I shared. I've still got plenty. I've got plenty for multiple meals, but it didn't cost me that much to make that. And the difference I can make in someone else's life, just one of my neighbors, is tremendous just by providing them with a bowl of stew. All right. Well, one couple that I provided some to, they were wondering what they were going to do for their Easter meal, and they were just kind of lost and really bummed out. And my stew brightened their day, and it solved their meal issue. Okay? My other neighbor can't cook, all right? He's no good at it. And so for him, fresh homemade food was absolutely something very special. So I get to help out and do my part. Some of my neighbors have helped me this week because of, what has happened. And so I'm very appreciative to them and always willing to give back. So folks, give back a little bit or pay something forward and just do something nice. Share with your neighbors. Right now is the right time to do that. Right now is the right time for America to grow and become something much, much better. And that starts with attitude, sharing, caring, taking care of one another, and being willing to sacrifice just a little bit so someone else can have just a little better. Folks, thank you for watching this. Thank you for bothering. I appreciate that. If you would, take a look at my channel. That's Texas Cooking Today, loaded full of recipes. I've got some really good food there, okay? Some of the older videos are a little bit cringeworthy, so don't be too judgmental, okay? The food is fantastic though. The recipes are banging good. And if you're not very good in the kitchen, I'm going to teach you how to do some cooking, let me tell you that. My tutorials get into details about every facet of the dish that I am making. So folks, thank you very much for watching this. Take a look at that. Take a look at the links down below in the description box. And you're going to find some neat stuff about me there. Thank you very much for watching this, and please be good to your neighbors. Thank you.